College Board just released this new geometry question, which means it's very likely it will show up on your SAT. Here they want us to find the length of this side BE, and they tell us a few things. First, I know off the bat that this angle and this angle equal 90 degrees each because these two long sides are equal, and then this line BF crosses through the midpoint of this line DE. So I know that these are 90 degrees, and then I also know that this is equal to 30 degrees because they also told us that DE and AC are parallel. So since this equals 30 degrees, this is going to have to equal 60 degrees because we can see this is also going to be a 90 degree angle when they add up together. And so we know here now that we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle, and with our 30, 60, 90 triangles, we know that the hypotenuse is equal to x, and then this side close to 60 degrees is going to be equal to x. But we also know, based on what they told us, that this line AO equals the line BO, so I can just draw lines here, which means that this is also going to be 2x up here. So now, if we're trying to find BE, we can draw some similar triangles here. So we have this big green triangle, but then we also have this smaller yellow triangle here. And I know these are similar triangles because they share two angles. They share the right angle, and then they also share this angle here at the top. And so in order to find the length of BE here, I can use the side ratio. So I know this big long side here equals 2x plus x, so I'm gonna write that as 3x. And then I know this small little side here for the small triangle is equal to 2x, so I can just do a little ratio, 2x over 3x, or 2 over 3. And now, since we know the ratio of the sides, we can now figure out the ratio of this side. And they actually told us that AB equals 96, and that AB equals BC, so I know that this is 96. So now all I have to do is use that ratio. So 2 over 3 equals the x, which I'll just put x again as the length of the small side, over 96. Multiply that so we get 96 times 2 over 3 equals x, and that is going to be equal to 64. So the side length BE is going to be equal to 64.